Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge, and the S&P 500 is mooning. Nice. Gold is doing good. Dollar is looking weak a little bit, and the euro sideways for a bit. Not really seeing anything on it. Let's zoom in on the S&P 500. This green line is where you should take some profit, I think. Looking where the green line comes from. It's just a resistance at the moment, a trend line, and right now it is following the plan perfectly. I put this setup over here, somewhere over here. We had a couple bullish retests on it, and yeah, mooning. This would be my target. That's around 6.3, sorry, 3.6. So yeah, going according plan. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's zoom out a little bit, go to the daily. So it kind of looks good. Let's take a look at the 4 hourly. Nothing really changed, but we are making higher lows and yeah, going up a little bit. Looking good. This low is higher than this one, so it's just good. We're kind of in a downward channel. We want to break out of it, and on the VPVR you can see we have clearly resistance over here up ahead. It starts at around 1.6, sorry, 11.6. So yeah, looking good. We want to break out of this trend line. So I mean, there's nothing much more to say. Double bottom at the moment. If you go here again, we will break it. Triple bottoms do not exist. So that is it for Bitcoin for now. Yeah, last night I turned bullish on Twitter. I said something about it. A lot of people started shorting the bottom. Shorts were coming in, and that is where it will bounce. And that's exactly what happened. I said it over here about 18 hours ago. If funding turns bearish, or sorry, negative, that means bounces are coming. When funding starts going negative, most of the time Bitcoin will bounce. Not always, but most of the times, yes, that means there's liquidity to the upside. Let's zoom out a little bit on Ethereum. Let's go to the 4 hourly. Looks a little bit different than Bitcoin. There's a lot of lines on this chart, but this is kind of the picture I'm looking at. We're in a rising wedge at the moment. We broke this 2-year trend line, and right now we are doing strong things. On a lower time frame, we kind of have the risk of making a head and shoulders over here. We look like this is the neckline, and this would be left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That's kind of a risk for Ethereum, but I'm still kind of bullish on it. If we are on a daily chart, you can see something like this. Remove everything. You could also see something like this. We want to break out of it to the upside, of course, and this is the level that should hold. So yeah, 360 is on a bigger time frame, a really important level as well. We do not want to lose 360. Taking a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum Bitcoin. Seeing something like this. Maybe we can count it as a fake out. I mean, looks good. Made a lower low over here. So the next target for Ethereum would be this high over here. We want to see a higher high. We've made a lower low, but we really want to see a higher high now. This is an important level we are at now. On a lower time frame, you could see a small head and shoulders, with this being exactly the neckline. And also you could see a possible head and shoulders forming over here. Not sure if you guys see it. Remove all drawings. Neckline over here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So kind of scary. We broke this trend line. Wait. Yeah, we broke that one earlier already. But I think we also broke. Not so sure. Now it's like this. We want to break this high over here, this exact high. That means this one, and then stuff is starting to look good again for Ethereum BTC on a higher time frame. I am still bullish on Ethereum BTC. Remove everything. Taking a look at Link. Sorry, Litecoin, guys. This is what we are seeing on Litecoin. Litecoin looks very good. Looks very good. What I want to see, breaking that one, breaking this one, and I think Litecoin can easily do that in the coming months. Still looking strong. Bitcoin saw a little downside. Litecoin barely did. As long as they hold this line, that's about $50, they will go to 84, I think, and after that almost $150. Litecoin is looking very good for me. 2-year trend line over here, broken, retested, consolidated, time to move up. Let's take a look at USD, looking kind of weak, looking too weak for me. Should bounce over here. This setup didn't work out. Litecoin should show some more strength over here. I don't like this weakness. And I didn't really break this trend line. No, I don't like Litecoin at the moment. Oh, sorry, EOS. Sorry for messing up the names, guys. Comp USD looks very good on the daily. They made a green candle over here, engulfed it very bad, and today it seems like they're gonna engulf it bullish again. So looks good. Looks like some strength is coming back in. Just seeing this, it makes it a buy for me. Yeah, double bottom over here. What they want to see now is a higher high over here. Breaking this one would be a buy for me. Breaking this one. Lower low over here, breaking this one would be exit for me. So you could do, I think, till there or till there. Want to wait for confirmation on the break of this resistance, and you can do a long up till this resistance or up to over here and take profit over there, taking profit at one of these horizontals. NEO, let's take a look at NEO. Let's go to the daily. NEO looks very good. They made a higher high compared to this one. Did it very well. And yeah, next up resistance is over here, $20. And eventually it could easily go to 28, I think. So that's about it for NEO. Break of this line over here, break of this one is bad, and that means exit. So that would be a break of around $15. If it goes below that, it's exit, but for now it looks very strong and likely will go to $30. Weekly, not so good for BTC, but the weekly hasn't closed. Can still engulf this red one of the prior week. Doesn't have to look that bad. Yeah, that's about it for today. If you want to trade with some leverage like I do, make sure to follow me on Twitter. And if you want to sign up to an exchange, make sure you use one of the following ref links. They're also in my YouTube video description. Make sure to follow me, subscribe, let me know what you think of the videos, like, subscribe, everything. And I see you guys tomorrow.